Hi guys, let's unbox and review OnePlus 7, the global version smartphone. It supports all Google applications, include Google Play Store, and it supports multi-language menus. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from one pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver OnePlus 7, the global version smartphones, to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order, sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. Let's continue to review the smartphone. Water drop display. It is a 6.41-inch optical analog display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 402 ppi density. It's from glasses. It's 6th generation Corning Gorilla glasses, and its back glasses are 5th generation. It's 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. It supports HDR10, DCI, and P3 100%. The operating system is Android 9.0 Pie operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core, 2.84 GHz. Memory storage have 128 GB long, 6 GB RAM, 256 GB long, 8 GB RAM. It have 3 cameras. Selfie from camera is 16 megapixel, f2.0 aperture. And its main cameras are dual cameras. 48 megapixel f1.7 aperture. Secondary camera is 5 megapixel f2.4 aperture. With dual LED flashlight. You can see the details. It's battery built-in. It's 3700 mAh battery built-in. Supports 5 volt 4 ampere 24 fast charger. It supports fingerprint under the display, 3.1 version Type-C to USB port, NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Sabas, and Bluetooth 5.0 Bluetooth. The phone have gray color, red color, and blue color, 3 colors to choose. Let me show you the camera. 48 megapixel camera. We can see the details. Let's have a look at the SIM card slot. It supports dual nano SIM card. This one is mid-layer gray color. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. That's fast charger, 5 volt 4 ampere fast charger. We will send 1 piece you'll convert together free. Type-C to USB cable. One piece silicon case. And one piece sticker, one piece manual. This is a warranty certificate, one piece a jet pin. Here's the manual. Manual have some languages. Keep reading. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. I make a video only for my company B2B business. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending.